This is the second video having a look at items to be found on a road surface following an accident. The previous video, the first video, had a look at debris strewn across the road surface. This video is similar to debris, only that it's looking at obstacles. In other words, the difference being that the objects are larger and heavier and as a result more dangerous to motorists. I do have a separate page on the website dealing specifically with obstacles to be found in a lane, and I'll put a link to that web page in the description section of this video below. In this video we have only one real life clip. However, there are a few important points that will be brought out that we need to be aware of. Let's run the video then. After the impact, you can see there's a lot of debris on the road surface, but what we're more interested in this video are larger objects. So that would be the vehicle itself that would be stuck in the path. There could be other larger objects such as the engine that's ripped from its mountings and is lying in the road. And also another hazard. So here we have the wheels that have broken free. And this would also be a larger impact that could do a lot of damage to a vehicle. And the thing about wheels that I just want to point out, you can see that the wheel's still rolling. So following the accident scene, don't think that once you've passed that accident scene that you're safe. There could be wheels lying further down the road within your path. So be aware of that. Any wheels that have broken free might have rolled for quite a distance from the accident scene. So just be cautious and aware of that. Please like, subscribe, and get notified.